What is the capital of Karnataka? Answer: Bengaluru. When was Bangalore renamed as Bengaluru? Answer: 1st November 2014. When was Mysore renamed as Karnataka? Answer: 1973. Who was the first Chief Minister of Karnataka? Answer: K. Chengalaraya Reddy. Who is the longest serving Chief Minister of Karnataka? Answer: D. Devraj. When was Karnataka formed? Answer: 1st November 1956. Which act was passed when Karnataka was formed? Answer: State Recognition Act. Which sea is located on the western side of Karnataka? Answer: Arabian Sea. How many Indian states surround Karnataka? Answer: 6. What is the total area of Karnataka? Answer: 19,01,791 km square. Which country is comparable with the size of Karnataka? Answer: Syria. What is the rank of Karnataka as per its area? Answer: 6th. What is the largest city of Karnataka? Answer: Bengaluru. What is the full form of KLA? Answer: Karnataka Legislative Assembly. What is the full form of KLC? Answer: Karnataka Legislative Council. What is the state code of Karnataka? Answer: KA. What is the official language of Karnataka? Answer: Kannada. What is the state bird of Karnataka? Answer: Indian roller. What is the state flower of Karnataka? Answer: Lotus. What is the state animal of Karnataka? Answer: Indian elephant. What is the state tree of Karnataka? Answer: Sandalwood. What is the state song of Karnataka? Answer: Jai Bharata Jananiya Tanujete. What is the state emblem of Karnataka? Answer: Ganda Berunda. How many divisions are in Karnataka? Answer: 4. How many districts are in Karnataka? Answer: 30. What is the nickname of Karnataka? Answer: Science City of India. Which city is located in the northeast of Karnataka? Answer: Telangana. Which is the highest waterfall in Karnataka? Answer: Kunchikal Falls.